Hey everybody, Al here. Today we'll be showing you how to get rid of the junker recoil system that comes stock in your Colt Defender and replace it with a really neat EGW captured recoil system. Let's start off by taking the one that's in the Colt out and we'll take a look at it. So just like working on any firearm, always make sure that it's unloaded, and let's rip this guy apart. You're going to want to go ahead and pop this slide stop out, and you can slide your slide off and then pull that guy out. So if you take a look at it, it looks a little bit different than ours. Let's get this kind of facing the same direction. So you can see the head of their guide rod system is very thin and flimsy. They use dual recoil springs on it, and then the spring plug itself looks kind of similar. The EGW one has a nice, thicker, solid head on the guide rod. We only use one recoil spring. It's an ISMI flat wire spring, so it'll hold up really well for you. And then we have our plug. And what's really different about this is there's a takedown hole in the guide rod. So that's what this little pin is. It's actually a paper clip, but it keeps everything captured for easy installation and to remove it from your gun. So I will be showing you how to do that. And if you lose this, you can just use another paper clip to replace it, but it's always nice to keep this. Don't throw it in the trash right away, just keep it in your spare parts bin. So in order to install this in your gun, take your slide. Remember, keep the whole thing captured here. And slide it on in there until the plug sits flush on the frame. Slide. And then slink it all back together. Make sure you line up your barrel link really good, and be careful when installing your slide stop not to get the idiot mark on here. And pop that son of a gun home. Bingo bango. So now, as you can see, everything fits loose in here, and you want to get the paper clip out. So pull the slide back until you remove tension off of the captured system. It's easy enough just to shake the gun a little bit. Paper clip comes right out. Let your slide go home, and you're set. In order to remove the recoil system from your gun, do everything in reverse. Go ahead and slide your slide back. Get your little paper clip here and find the takedown hole in the guide rod. And you can slink it in there like so, and then let your slide go forward. Now the whole system is captured. The pressure is on the paper clip, and you can kind of push the slide forward until you can pop your slide stop out, push that up, give it a rip, throw the slide forward, boom. Everything is uninstalled and you don't have things flying everywhere. Super simple. So if you have any questions about this, please make sure to comment on our videos. Let us know if you have any other questions or want to see any other parts installed in one of our guns. Don't forget to like us, subscribe, and have a great day.